How do you know if a John Deere 9R or 9RT series tractor is right for you? Ask yourself. Do you want a tractor that delivers consistent performance day after day? A cab that's comfortable and well equipped? Do you find value in a dealer network that keeps you running rather than waiting on parts? Finally, ask yourself this. Do you want a tractor that rewards you with one of the highest resale values in the industry? Call your John Deere dealer today and test drive a John Deere 9R or 9RT series tractor, because nothing runs like a Deere.